We all heard the stories. We all saw the video. We saw your comments. And we heard you. We've been sitting on this for a while, and we were like trying to pick a new premium video. I was like, I want to do the airbag video.
Yeah, I was like, all right, we'll give this to our premium members.
Coming soon to ScannerDanner Premium.
Airbags of death!
Holy You know, if this wasn't an airbag module, I would freaking want to bang on it.
Holy are you okay?
I'm fine, Danner. I f***ed up. And as soon as I went to grab the module to move it, these airbags went off. I did something that I shouldn't have done.
Holy man, it scared the out of me.
Scared the out of me too, Danner. Danner. So here's what happened.